I do not think that the most urgent thing for us is to regularize his office or create more offices to help Ruto craft his 2027 bid. I think we have enough issues in Kenya, and as far as the constitution goes, I would tell them obey the constitution and the laws first. And Kenyans should never agree to go into a referendum with a regime that does not obey the constitution.
It's really our top national priority, the constitutional amendments that we want to talk about, when half of Kenya is going hungry. 55% of this country do not celebrate Christmas. Families cannot put food on the table. Up north, from Garissa to Wajir to Mandera, people are starving, and we cannot feed these families. And here we are talking about Singapore.
Telling Kenyans that elections may not be held because census was not done, and trying to bring in a lot of issues that can go into a referendum is actually to create unnecessary anxiety over extension of presidential term, which I don't think is a discussion that we should even entertain. And if this was a balloon floated to test something, I think the reaction of Kenyans has already punctured it.